East Coast, always in me. Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support.
Hey Glam fam, today I'm going to be trying out the Sensational What Lace wig. This is their Brielle wig, and you guys, I am super duper excited to share this with you guys. I absolutely love the Sensational line of wigs. I just started wearing lace wigs, so bear with me when applying this, but you guys, nonetheless, I absolutely love this line. And if you guys hear Dora in the background, my daughter is actually watching Dora, so please excuse the noise. But hey, I just wanted to formally welcome you guys to this vlog, and I wanted to share with you all this awesome wig. Now, since I have short hair, instead of braiding my hair back, which I can't braid worth a damn anyways, y'all, I am simply going to be slicking back my hair. That's it. That's all, honey. Very simple. I'd recommend doing this if you have short hair, because you just want it out of the way of the wig, okay? You don't want it in your way so that, you know, you won't have any hair loss or anything as you remove the wig, okay? And don't look at my edges, girl. They like that because I technically have a widow's peak, okay? So don't pay that no mind. But yes, you guys, I'm simply slicking up the front and the back. Now let me make this very clear. This is not a tutorial, you guys. This is only my second time applying a lace wig. So honey, I basically don't know what I'm doing. I'm technically using myself as a guinea pig and experimenting. So hey, I just want to put that out there. This is just the way that I have grown accustomed to doing it so far, but it will change, I'm sure, over time as I become more skilled in this field. Now I am currently growing my hair out for anyone who is curious, but my hair is now kind of in the awkward stage where, y'all, I don't really know what to do with it personally. I could just wear it in its natural curly state, but I wanted an extra oomph, okay? So that's why I decided to go ahead and do myself a nice little wig. And I've been wearing wigs recently because, honey, I don't feel like dealing with my hair. I don't feel like trying to style it. So it's almost kind of like a lazy thing, you know, but nonetheless, I've been really enjoying it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys watch me apply this wig. Since I don't know what I'm doing anyway, maybe in the future I can do more so like tutorials, but I'm still learning, girlfriend. You can comment down below some tips if you're familiar with lace wigs. I would absolutely love that, and I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of this and also the rest of the vlog. Your girl will be talking later shortly in this vlog, so stay tuned for that. But nonetheless, let me share with y'all this wig, and if you're interested in anything that I'm using in today's video, make sure that you check out the description box.
thinking I would wait. You never took the time, and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored, so now I'm gonna end this thing.
So your girl looks a mess, but I'm in night attire. You guys can probably hear the white noise right now. Me and baby girl are getting ready to go to sleep. When we wake up, I will let you guys see how my hair is looking, but right now I'm about to slap a bun on. I'm also going to sleep in this, and I will see you guys in the morning.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. Yeah. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You won't end, but it's too late.
I don't need your support.
Okay y'all, so I have on my pumpkin enzyme mask from Vanish. I am about to get my nightly chores done, and y'all know your girl got to get ready for work in the morning at 5 a.m. I have to be up. Right now it is 7:55, so my objective is to get all the baby girls' bottles washed, put away in the sterilizer, so forth and so on. So I have a ton of things to finish up tonight. If you guys see anything that you like from this video, that you want out of this video, it will all be listed down below. And let's go ahead and do the night routine.
Never really fit in, always felt like an alien.
I be in my own space of mind, making boss moves in my own time, and I
Write my own rhymes.
find me all alone. I'm on the road. I had to take a couple hits, a couple stones, but targets I don't ever miss. They wanna know.
It's not to be me.
Let me give you this game for free. No, you see me on the come up, big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me, you gotta be an alphabet. 8 ball in your pocket, I'm your alphabet. Yeah, alphabet, baby. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. I'ma take your all them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind.